Hello everyone, welcome to my art channel. Today you'll learn to draw a realistic eye using 5 simple steps. First, lightly sketch an outline of an eye using freehand or grid technique. Now take any HB or 2B pencil and start filling the base layer, which is step 1. I've given the sketching material details in my description box below. Please do check that. Now using back and forth stroke, I'm trying to fill the eyelid and the iris, not filling the rectangle box which is the reflection on the eye. Now using Staedtler 6B pencil, I'm filling the second layer of the iris, which is step 2, blocking the shadows. I'm now filling the pupil with the darker shades using Staedtler pencil 8B. Step 3 is blending the shading. There are various tools for blending. Use tissues for blending larger areas, earbuds for the smaller sections. Also, you can use blending stumps and kneaded erasers available in the market for blending. Keep adding more layers to your sketch, which is step 4. Make the darker areas more darker using 6B or 8B pencil, hence creating contrast and an illusion of light and dark, which in turn will give depth to your eyes. By using charcoal pencil, I'm creating eyelashes, shorter at the bottom, longer and more curlier on the upper eyes. Now using mono Tombow eraser, I'm creating highlights and details, which is step 5. Also using kneaded eraser and Stump for doing the details, like working on the fine veins inside the eye. Do have an eye for details while creating realistic eyes. Now keep adding layers to your drawing till you are satisfied with the outcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just hope it's useful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.